Have you ever made a call to a place of service and the person on the receiving line was either bored, rude, or really could not be bothered to assist you? I know I have, and it makes me cringe every single time because as a customer or as a prospective paying customer, I'd like to think that I deserve to get my money's worth out of the conversation, even if I'm just ordering a pizza or making inquiries on cake prices. Hi, I'm Tori, Gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to host you. And today, I'd like to share a few fundamental tips, well, I think they're fundamental, that everyone should put into practice when dealing with telephone etiquette and mannerisms. Tip number one is the tone of the organization, and this can be easily derived from the organization's brand. For example, a brand that deals with kids' parties will not have the same tone as a corporate company. So one brand is more loud and vibey, and one is more relaxed. Tip number two, speak clearly. Enunciate your words clearly. I cannot overemphasize this. Refrain from rambling and from using long sentences that make no sense. Always start with an introduction. So, introduce the organization, introduce yourself, and then ask the customer how you can assist them. For example, thank you for calling Gracefully, Tori. My name is Tori. How can I assist you? And then you can go on with the conversation. The next step is simple, but I feel like I need to emphasize it. No eating. You cannot be on a call with a customer, somebody who is bringing money into the organization, and you are chewing and eating or drinking on the other end. This is firstly irritating, and it doesn't portray you or the organization you are speaking on behalf of in a good light. The next tip is to be well versed with frequently asked questions of the business and who to transfer a customer to in the event that you aren't the rightful person to assist them. For example, you need to at least know the opening and closing hours of the business, where it's located, and pricing, for example. My favorite tip, always let the customer know when you are putting them on hold or transferring them to somebody else who will best assist them. And if need be, let the person receiving them know who they are and what their query is, so the customer does not have to repeat their query again. So you've had a successful conversation with your client, they're happy, they've been assisted, and it's time to say goodbye. Always thank your customer, wish them well, and of course, tell them you can't wait for them to call again and place an order or make an inquiry or what have you. For example, thank you so much for calling, Mr. Smith. I'm glad I could have been of assistance to you. I wish you a great week and I can't wait to hear from you again. Guys, thank you oh so much for watching, and I hope that the pointers I shared will come in handy in your corporate spaces and in your businesses. Let's have a conversation in the comment section down below on general office etiquette, and also share any other topics you would like me to touch on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell anyone who would listen about this channel. Thank you. Bye.